Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore, the incredible benefits of Moringa. If you're looking to supercharge your health and wellness, this video is for you. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so you never miss our content. What is Moringa? First things first, what exactly is Moringa? Well, it's a tree native to parts of Africa and Asia, often referred to as the drumstick tree, or miracle tree. Why the miracle tree? Let's find out. Nutrient powerhouse. One of the most remarkable aspects of Moringa is its nutritional content. It's packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Some of the key nutrients found in Moringa include vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and iron. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health. Heart health. Moringa may promote heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving overall cardiovascular function. Its antioxidants help protect the heart from oxidative damage. Bone health. The calcium and phosphorus in Moringa are crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Regular consumption can contribute to better bone density. Anti-cancer potential. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that Moringa's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may have a role in preventing and slowing down the growth of certain cancer cells. Rich in antioxidants. Moringa is a potent source of antioxidants, like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote healthy aging. Immune system boost. The high vitamin C content in Moringa is fantastic for your immune system. It helps your body ward off infections, colds, and flu. Incorporating Moringa into your daily routine can give your immune system that extra boost it needs. Energy and vitality. Feeling sluggish. Moringa is known for its ability to increase energy levels and combat fatigue. The iron and B vitamins in Moringa help transport oxygen throughout the body, which is essential for energy production. Skin and hair benefits. Moringa is a beauty secret too. Its high vitamin E content promotes healthy skin by reducing signs of aging and improving complexion. You can also apply Moringa oil to your hair for added shine and strength. Supports digestive health. Moringa is gentle on your stomach and can aid in digestion. It contains fiber that promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and keeps your gut happy. Potential weight management. If you're looking to manage your weight, Moringa can help. It can suppress appetite and promote a feeling of fullness, making it easier to control your calorie intake. Managing diabetes. There's some promising research indicating that Moringa may help regulate blood sugar levels, which is excellent news for individuals with diabetes or those at risk. How to incorporate Moringa. So, how can you incorporate Moringa into your daily routine? You can find Moringa in various forms like capsules, powders, or even fresh leaves. You can add the powder to smoothies, sprinkle it on salads, or use it in your cooking. In conclusion, Moringa is a true superfood with a wide range of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to promoting healthy skin and hair, it's a nutritional powerhouse worth exploring. Just remember, as with any dietary change, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. That's it for today's video on the benefits of Moringa. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or personal experiences with Moringa, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.